Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to announce the winner for the weekly challenge TBMK0006. The challenge was sponsored by Boundaryless Group. So here are the 3 winners for the last challenge. The first prize goes to Praveen Kumar, the second prize goes to Girinath, and the third prize goes to 𝐔𝐢𝐏𝐚𝐭𝐡'𝐬. Thank you so much for all your active participation. Your dedication and creativity make these challenges successful. So as promised, Praveen Kumar would be getting a $50 gift card as sponsored by Boundaryless Group, and Shubham and Girinath would be receiving a goodie from my end. Today, I want to add one more announcement, which is on the weekly challenge time frame update. So recently, I conducted a poll to gather the feedback regarding the ideal time frame for our weekly challenges. All of you have provided your inputs. Thank you so much for sharing the input. The majority has spoken and responded that yes, 4 days time frame is ideal for the weekly challenges. Now, one other feedback which was received was that we should also include weekends in the challenge time frame, which means that the 4 days is good, but it would be good if we have weekends included on these challenges, right? So after careful consideration, we have decided to maintain the 4-day time frame, but with a slight adjustment in the challenge time. So instead of Monday, now the challenges would be shared on Thursday, which will give you Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, which would have weekend in it, so that you can do it on your own pace. We believe that this updated time frame strike a balance between your preferences for a shorter duration and adding the flexibility of a weekend at your disposal. Thank you again so much for participating in the poll, sharing your thoughts, and I will see you on Thursday with this weekly challenge. Thank you for watching and happy automation.